How you doing? My name is Stephen Woods. I'm the Technical Sales Manager for Soprema Australia. I'm here with the team in Enduroflex. We're about to show you an exciting new system called Insono, which is our brand new direct stick tile system. There's multiple benefits to using this system. Number one, it's a waterproofing membrane. Number two, anti-fracture mat. Number three, an acoustic barrier. So today we're going to show you how we install the system. Okay, so there's two main membranes in the system. We use the AF390, which is a 2.2mm thick. This is going to be used on all field areas and on the walls. And then for detailing work, we use a slightly thinner membrane, which is the AF347. That's a 1.2mm thick membrane. So the first step, we're going to look at our workstation, make sure that it's free from dust and debris. So before we're going to prime the substrate. Okay, so after we've cleaned our substrate, the next step is that we're going to caulk all of our joints with our M1 sealant adhesive. The M1 sealant adhesive is a high quality polyether. It's a low odor, no VOCs. So we're going to caulk our preformed TPE corners in place. So anywhere where we have a change in direction on our corners, this adhesive is going to be used. We also sell this product in a 600cc sausage as well. So once you've cleaned your substrate, we want to make sure that we measure out all of our areas and we dry fit and cut our membranes to the required thicknesses. You've cleaned your substrate. We're going to apply the AF3 adhesive to all areas. So make sure you can use a brush or a roller for this application. We wanted to make sure that we've got a nice consistent coat. The Insono AF3 adhesive is low odor, no solvents, can be used in low temperatures and hot climates. It's a latex adhesive, which will give us a great bond with our modified SBS. The membrane system is a peel and stick system, meaning we prime our substrate and then we release our backing film and that stick the membrane directly to the substrate. We have a high quality SBS backing, which gives us our adhesion and our flexibility, and we have a non-woven fleece here which is facing your tiles. This is where we're going to be bonding it to. We hot air weld our joints, and because of the modified SBS, we have a really quick weld. It's up to 50% faster than other systems on the market. Okay, so all of the overlaps in the Insono system are going to be hot air welded on site with your Leicester hot air gun, and generally we're going to use a 40mm welder as well. So we have a 50mm overlap on all joints. First thing we do, I like to just tack it in place. Just stops the membrane from moving around. Then we're going to do our pre-weld, and because it's a modified SBS, it's super quick. So our pre-weld, it's just trapping the inside lap, which makes it easier for your finish weld because that hot air doesn't blow in underneath the membrane. So all you do is go in like this, and we want to keep about an inch between the roller and the nozzle so that your membrane can get a nice seal. This is a super quick welded joint, probably 30 to 50% faster than some of the other systems on the market. Simple. So this system is, as I said before, a direct stick tile system, but it can be used in a number of different applications. Rooftop terraces, balconies, podiums, under screed, directly under tile. Fully cured, we're going to install the membrane. Pull off your release film at a 45. Get that in nice and tight. Okay, make sure you get your silicone roller. I want to make sure we get that 100% adhesion to our adhesive. Rolling out any blisters or air bubbles that you see. Okay, simple as. Okay, so we want to make sure that we weld our membrane to the corners. That way, any of your weak points will be fully sealed. So You can use your hands or use your penny roller, making sure you get a nice seal there in your capillary joints. Okay, so we're going to use our penny roller in our changes of direction and get nice and tight into your TPE corner. When we're using a detailing membrane, we use the AF347. That's the 1.2 mil thick membrane for detailing work. So we've already pre-cut this to fit around our penetration. Pull off the backing, line it up, and get that pushed in nice and tight. If you need to use your penny roller, you can. Get that nice and tight. Any blisters, get them out, roll it out. Nice and sealed. What we've done here is we've measured out our wall membrane and we've got 100 mil onto the floor and 100 mil up. So what we've done is we've spliced that at an angle, which means we can fold our membrane on itself, which sticks to the TPE corner. So we've got that in nice and tight. We're using our penny roller to get the capillary joint nice and tight. Put our weld again, shove your gun in, get your roller in nice and tight. Okay, that's your pre-weld done. Get that nice and tight in there. Okay, so we've stuck our first membrane down, we've welded onto the field area, that's wrapped around, okay? So we've measured up our second piece, we've gone 100 mil there and 100 mil there, we've folded it out, we've cut off the excess membrane at a 45-degree angle here, so we're not bunching up too much in the corners. So we have everything perfect here. Next step will be to peel off our backing. Okay, so we've got our membrane stuck in here, we've spliced it at the 45, so we need to make sure we get our membrane welded in nice and tight to the corner and our capillary joint. So we run our gun in here, get the penny roller, and keeping that inch gap between the roller and the gun, nice and tight with our penny roller. Start from the bottom and work our way up. This is our pre-weld. And our finish weld. Just going nice and steady, not too fast, not too slow. All right, and that's it.